Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about integers. Chapter first, integer. Okay, we have seen all the exercises, but it is a type of summary video. Okay, so when you have completed all the exercises, go through this video. If you have any problem, you will understand this. Okay, so let us start. Very first, about talking about integers, we should know what are whole numbers and what are negative numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and negative numbers are like this, means -5, -4, -3 and before -5. Okay, so integers is nothing but the collection of this whole number and negative number. Okay, whole number and negative number. See, we have seen number line. On number line 0 is also there, positive numbers are also there and negative numbers are also there. So it is nothing but it is a integers. Okay, in your previous standard you must have studied about addition and subtraction of integers. So here we will just recall it. See, -6, -4, -10. I have told you 3 rules, 3 or 4 rules, that is positive is always positive, negative is negative, positive is negative and negative is positive. Okay, if you remember this, you will not have any problem in addition and subtraction. Now see, -4 plus 2, 4 is minus, means it is minus, this is plus, so we have to subtract it. 4 minus 2 is 2 and greater number sign. So similarly, -6 -4 minus will become plus, so we have to add this. Okay, so this is -10 and greater number sign, so -10. Now see this, 2 minus 6, 2 is positive, 6 is negative, so we will subtract here. 6 minus 2 is 4 and greater number sign, that is 6, is negative. After this we will see properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, we will see properties. See, I have told you that there are 4 types of property: closure property, commutative property, associative property and additive identity. Okay, let us see about closure property. Closure property means what? See, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. Means if you take any two integers, then their addition is also integer. This is nothing but a closure property. For example, we will see, we have taken 4 and 5. These both are integers, and if we add we will get 9. This is also an integer. So this says that integer is closed under addition. Okay, so वैसे ही अभी हमने जैसे देखा positive, we will see about negative. We have taken these two numbers 4 and -5. So our answer is -1. -1 also belongs to integer. So we can say integers are closed under addition and subtraction. Now second property, that is commutative property. Commutative property is nothing but, see, for any two integers a and b, we can say a plus b is equal to b plus a. See this, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. See this also, -3 plus 2 is -1, 2 plus -3 is -1. Means what? आपको सिर्फ उनका प्लेस जो है वो इंटरचेंज करना है, एंड यू हैव टू सी वेदर देयर आंसर आर सेम और नॉट. अगर वो दोनों सेम है आंसर्स, देन यू कैन से इंटीजर्स आर कम्यूटेटिव अंडर एडिशन. नाउ वी विल सी फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. सी, 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3. 3 minus 5 क्या होगा? -2 and 5 minus 3 is 2. This is not equal to this. One more example we will take. -6 minus 3, 3 minus -6. Okay, so here it is -9, here it is +9, so they are not equal. This means integers are not commutative under subtraction, but they are commutative under addition. Now we will see about associative property. Associative property, see, for integer a, b and c, we can say a plus in the bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b in the bracket plus c. So see this example. देखो, अगर ये ब्रैकेट यहाँ है तो इसका आंसर, और अगर हम पहले दो नंबर्स को एक ब्रैकेट में करें और फिर थर्ड नंबर ऐड करें तो उसका आंसर दे शुड बी सेम. See, 4 plus in the bracket 3 plus 2, that is 5, 4 plus 5 9. Similarly 4 plus 3 7 plus 2, that is 9. Means integers are associative under addition. ये subtraction में नहीं होता है. Okay, now we will see about additive identity. Additive identity. See, additive identity means what? ऐसा कोई नंबर जिसको किसी नंबर से ऐड करने पर हमें वो खुद नंबर मिले. सी फॉर एनी इंटीजर a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. So 0 is additive identity, means 0 is added to any number, we get the answer, we get the number itself. Okay, so 8 plus 0 8. Okay, इस 8 को हम 0 plus 8 भी लिख सकते हैं. So this is nothing but additive identity. Okay, now after this we will study, we have seen these properties, now we will study properties of multiplication. Okay, now we will see multiplication of positive and negative integer. Just a minute. Now we will see multiplication of integers. Multiplication of one positive integer and one negative integer we will see. See, 4 multiplied by minus 2. So what you have to do here, multiply 4 and 2 as a whole number. 4 2s are 8. Okay, one minus sign is there, so you will write here minus sign. So your answer is minus 8. So this is the multiplication of one positive integer, one negative integer. Now we will see multiplication of two negative integers. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Okay, so see, 4 into 4, that is 16. Minus minus will become plus. Okay, so see, again one more example we will see. Minus 4, 2, minus 3. How many minus signs are there? 2 minus signs. 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Minus minus becomes positive, so only 24. सी, इसको देखकर हम क्या कह सकते हैं, इफ़ इन अ सीरीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन माइनस साइंस अकर्स इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, then your product is positive, and if it occurs odd number of times, then your product is negative. Now we will study about properties of multiplication of integers. Okay, same properties are there: closure property, commutative property, associative property. Okay, so now see this in your textbooks. See, closure under multiplication. See, minus 2 minus 5, sorry, minus 20 minus 50, sorry, minus 20 into minus 5, that is 100, because minus minus will become plus. So these two are integers, this is also integers. We can say integers are closed under multiplication. Now let us come to commutative. See, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, right? So see, you can see here also minus 30 into 12, 3 is minus 360, and 12 into minus 30 minus 360. This LHS and this RHS are equal, means we can say that integers are commutative under multiplication. Okay, see, integers are commutative under multiplication. Now we will see multiplication by 0. What is multiplication by 0? Means any number, if we multiply it by 0, we get the answer 0. See this, a multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 multiplied by a is equal to 0. Means any number multiplied by 0, their product is always 0. Next property is multiplicative identity. We have seen additive identity. In same way we have multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means what? अगर किसी नंबर को हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वो हमारा आंसर वो नंबर खुद ही आएगा. सो दैट 1 इज़ आवर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. सी, यू कैन सी हियर minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3. ओके, सो इस minus 3 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 into minus 3, राइट? So 1 is the multiplicative identity. Now we will see associativity for multiplication. See this associativity for multiplication. See, 7 into 6, 7 into minus 6 into 4, ये दोनों एक ब्रैकेट में. 7 into minus 6 minus 42 into 4 minus 168. 7 into minus 6 into 4, that is minus 24 minus 168. These both are equal. So we can say that the product of three integers does not depend on grouping of the integers. The associative property for multiplication of integers, right, means integers are associative under multiplication. Now we will see new property, distributive property. See, what is distributive property? A into B plus C, that gives you A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. See, this A will be multiplied to B, this plus sign as it is, and this A will be multiplied to C. अगर आप इन दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स को सॉल्व करोगे, सो योर LHS एंड RHS शुड बी इक्वल, then only you can say distributive property holds for integers. Okay, after this we will study about division of integers, properties of division of integers. Okay, see, first property is again closure property. Let us see, -8 divided by -4, ये तो हो गया 2, दिस इज एन इंटीजर. नाउ सी -4 डिवाइडेड बाय -8, -4 upon -8, दिस इज 1/2. इज 1/2 इंटीजर? नहीं, 1/2 इज नॉट एन इंटीजर. सो डिवीजन की प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो नहीं हो रही. कमिटेड इंटीजर्स आर नॉट क्लोजर अंडर डिवीजन. अबाउट नेक्स्ट वी विल सी. नाउ सी अबाउट कम्यूटेटिव. सी, -30 डिवाइडेड बाय 15, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? -2. ओके, एंड 15 डिवाइडेड बाय -30, व्हाट इट विल आंसर विल बी -1/2. दिस इज नॉट, दोनों इक्वल नहीं है, मीन्स इंटीजर्स आर नॉट कम्यूटेटिव अंडर डिवीजन. ओके, इंटीजर्स आर नॉट कम्यूटेटिव अंडर डिवीजन. In this way, we have seen the properties of addition and subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, and in same way, study all the properties, go through it. This chapter is very easy.